Hi, I'm Tammy with Country Craft Creations, and I'm bringing to you a whole new world of scrapbooking and a way to keep your family's memories or your friends' memories all in one place. Remember our 12 by 12 layouts? Well, no longer those days. We are now making albums, actual hard-covered albums that you will be able to not only store family memories in, pictures will go right on our flaps. Lots of room. An album like this, you'll be able to get up to 60 photos. But we're going to be making pages that will house and hold all your memories. And these are great for babies, wedding. You may have a special event like a graduation coming up. Let me grab a couple of pictures here just to show you. And one reason the mini album world has come about and is really booming is that everyone has their own printables for their pictures now right off of your phone. So with the sizes, we're going to be working on spaces that the photos will fit. Not only that, but photo mats. Not only great places to put your photos, but you're going to have a lot of journaling space on the back. So journaling the memories, the dates, the times, vacations. Disneyland makes these are great albums for your Disney adventures. We're going to be making pockets, great places to store those kind of pictures you just want to keep inside there or journal on. Flaps that will fit all your different photos that you can print out right at home if you have one of those wonderful Bluetooth photo printers. So we'll be making pages that have not only flaps, but you're going to be able to have a frame. We'll be making actual hard frame in our class at curiousmondo.com, but we'll be making tags, pockets, places, especially if you're doing for a wedding album. Great to put those wedding cards right inside of there for storing. And this is a clear acrylic pocket. So we'll be making those in the class also. Again, lots of flaps, lots of room for those hidden maybe pictures. Journal at the top about your trip or your vacation and wedding or the newborn baby. And we'll go all through this in our class at curiousmondo.com. So be sure to join us, and thank you.